Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to a new update on Altlayer. Was necessary. It's not necessarily to look at the 1 minute time frame there, though. But no, I mean, it was necessary. Yesterday we talked about this, and well, a lot of you know that I bought Altlayer, I think down here at 32 cents. But yesterday, when I did the updates yesterday morning, I mean, it did not look great for Alt. All right. I'll refer to it as Alt, which is not the handiest name they've chosen, but still. So no, what happened yesterday, and I'll show you I'll show you some things that already were going on. But what happened yesterday is that the open interest, so the momentum that Alt had already peaked on Tuesday. Right, so Tuesday, what was the last time that Alt really tried to break above that level here at 45 cents. It failed, then it dropped down to the main support level it had in this range. So that was between 39 and 40 cents. And then what happened yesterday, I thought Bitcoin was pretty bearish yesterday. In the end, Bitcoin found some support, but it was too late for Altlayer because with relatively bearish market circumstances and an open interest that was dropping down yesterday, because that's what you can see. It's not too much, but it is dropping. What I said is that I thought it was most likely we would actually drop down towards 37 cents. And once we got that bearish breakout, like the range was broken, the EMAs flipped into resistance levels. The open interest, as you can see, has dropped down even more after a brief recovery that was right here in the evening. But no, I mean, Altlayer right now is actually bearish, which is fine. I mean, I sold some right here at 40 cents. I already sold some up here earlier as well, so I don't mind. And the position is still in profit. But now the question is well, what's next? Because our main next support level is obviously 30 cents. That's almost a 15% drop from here. That's pretty big. So is that most likely? Is that to be expected? Yes or no? And I think the short answer is yes. However, if you look at Alt right now, even though the momentum has dropped down quite a bit, it's still up there. All right, so it's in a downtrend. That's for sure true, which you can also see right here. Yeah, right here you can see it's in a downtrend. All right, so we're losing momentum. But then again, you can also see that the RSI was pretty low. We're at a decent support level right here. We put in a bottom indicator. So I do think, and that's also what I expect, that we can get a bit of a pullback up to like 36.5. At the highest, I think 37.5. Bit of a pullback up, and then a continuation down. Because I do think that the overall market circumstances, even though Bitcoin is recovering a bit, are still bearish. Like I said, I still think Alt, especially like technically, Alt is definitely bearish. And then what you need to break out of that bearish market structure would be momentum. And Alt is also not gaining momentum. So I think a brief move up is possible, but I do think that would be followed by a move down to 30 cents, which yeah, I think that's in line with everything. I think that's in line with what you should expect. We grabbed most of the liquidity here. Like I said, I mean, there's a bit of liquidity to the upside, so that's why we could get a move up. But I don't think that that's going to be enough to really facilitate a big bullish breakout or some sort of a consolidation. We might consolidate up here, like if Alt moves up to that level at 37 cents, we might consolidate a little bit between like 37.5 and 34 cents. But ultimately, I would still say that that's going to lead to a bearish breakout and a continuation down. So those are my thoughts. I think that's what you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. If you would have wanted the signal to buy Alt down here, consider joining my signals group. That's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Have a great week and bye.